Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm quickly showing you around our latest arrival. It's this 2021 Ford Mondeo ST Line Edition. As you can see, it's not a very nice day, so I will take all the images once it's a little bit drier and a full video as well. Just quickly showing it you as it's just arrived. It's finished in the Agate Black metallic. It's a really lovely vehicle. It looks like a saloon, but it does have a hatchback boot with over 600 litres of space, so really practical. This is the 2-litre turbocharged Eco Blue diesel with a 6-speed manual transmission. You got the part leather, part Alcantara, really lovely, the Sensico fabrics, and then you've got the 6-speed manual. Ford make a great manual transmission, and then you've got the Ford Sync system in there as well. As I say, more details and images will be added very shortly. Great car, very efficient. Smooth, a great motorway cruiser. This is the face as well, being the 2021. It's nearer the end of when they stopped making Mondeos, so it's got the newer Ford look to it, which is great. If you've got any questions about this Mondeo, give us a call on 01539 760 371 and we'll be happy to help. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome too. No matter the age, make, model, mileage of your car, we'll have a look into it and get you the best price we possibly can against this Mondeo. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you very shortly.